All right, so we're going to do a difference quotient problem. So if I had something like f of x equals x squared plus 5x plus 6, and I wanted to do f of x plus h minus f of x divided by x plus h minus x. So we're going to have to be real careful here. So we're going to do this f of x plus h first. So that's going to be x plus h squared plus 5 times x plus h plus 6. Notice that x plus h just went in for the x there and there, right? So there's the x squared plus 5x plus 6 minus f of x. Well, f of x is just that entire thing, so that's x squared plus 5x plus 6, all divided by x plus h minus x. Okay, so there's my difference quotient formula filled in, and now all I have to do is simplify it and then combine like terms. So let's take this x plus h and square it. So that's going to be x plus h times x plus h plus, that's 5x plus 5h plus 6 minus x squared minus 5x minus 6 divided by x plus h minus x, which is just h. So now I'm going to do this x plus h quantity squared, right? So we're going to go x squared plus xh plus hx plus h squared plus 5x plus 5h plus 6 minus x squared minus 5x minus 6. I guess I could have canceled out the 6 and the negative 6 right there, couldn't I? All divided by h. So let's group up like terms. So I've got x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 5x plus 5h. I'll go ahead and get rid of that plus 6 and minus 6. Those add to 0. So then minus x squared and minus 5x, all divided by h. All right, well, there's a plus 5x and a minus 5x, so those add up to 0. There's a plus x squared and a minus x squared, so those add up to 0. So now I can just keep simplifying. So what do I have? I've got 2xh plus h squared plus 5h, all divided by h. Notice here in this step, you'll know that you probably have everything right if all of these terms in them have an h in them. If you still have some other term, like that x squared didn't have an h in it, if you still had that here, then you've made a mistake. By the time you get down to this last simplification step, you should have all your variable groups should have that h in them. So now we can cancel, right? This h and that h cancel, leaving 2x. This h and that h cancel, leaving plus h, right? And then this h and that h cancel, leaving plus 5. So what do I have? 2x plus 5 plus h. And we're done. I hope that helped.